I welcome every one of us back again into our channel, Mega PZ Educational Channel. Most especially for those of us that have started with us for quite a long time, and for those of us that are joining us for the first time. Today we shall be discussing on Epson Pro series printers. Epson, to be more precisely, Epson 3880, 3890, and all those series that fall within that printer series 3880. So what we are going to be doing today is to troubleshoot the board, make some repairs, introducing also some components that are actually on the board, and how to fix the board. So for those of us that are coming for the first time, you need to watch some of the video that we did in the past on how we disassemble the printers to bring out the board. But I've already bring out the board and we start working on it right now. Sit down and relax and watch me as I go on with the step-by-step procedures of how to put this printer back to its original working state. This is Epson 3880 motherboard that was sent in for repairs, and if you can see, I've removed the in-sync from the back. This is the in-sync that I removed from the back so that we're able to make some readings on that transistor, those two transistors that you can see at the back, C4131 and A1746. Those are the transistors as MOSFET transistors that you need to check. Actually, we have checked. There are three areas you need to look into, or four, which we have looked into to check the power source, that is the power pack, and find out that the power pack is okay. Then check the flex that connects the board to the power switch, and we have ascertained that those ones are okay. And then the transistors here, these two transistors, as I earlier mentioned them, we need to test whether they have a correct reading. Then there is a fuse, F5 fuse here. I think you can see the F5 fuse. That fuse needs to be tested if there is a reading on it, if there is any continuity on it. So where most of our attention should be on these two transistors that we are seeing here. I've looked at the capacitors. All the capacitors are okay. The diodes, they are okay. So we lay more emphasis on testing this. You see that one of them is dead or malfunctioning. So that's what we need to do. So remove the transistors and compare with the one that we want to use to replace it. I have some replacement transistors for it here. So these are the two transistors that I want to use for the replacement transistors. The first one here is C1431. Then the other one is A1740, which is this one. So let's test it first. Then if it's the F5, that is a F fuse 5 that I have, that I need to replace it also. So let's make the reading. Then after them we proceed. Earlier, we need to read this two transistor, this MPP transistors, which is MPP transistor. This one is PNP transistors. So we need to read it. But before we go ahead to that, let let's read the one we want to use for replacement so that you have an idea of what likely to be the reading you are looking for. So this one is MPP transistor, so your pros will be on the base here, then while the black pros will be on the connector. So if you look at the reading, it will give us around 400. So the reading we are seeing now is about 400. That is a 399. That is that. Then this other one, then you put it on pin 3. You see now we still have 400. That is for MPP transistor. Then for this one, which is a PNP transistors, you have to take the pros so that the black one will be on the base while the connector, the red one will be on the connectors and the emitter. So you can see what you are getting. We are getting about 407. Now if you move the red one to, you still get about that 407. That is for PNP transistor. So let's try what we're going to get on the board. This one is MPP transistor. So you put your pros here, which is a red one, then you read. And if you can see it, what you are getting here is almost 0. That is, there is no reading. There is a short circuit on that board. Then move it to the other one. You see the reading is still the same thing, almost ready. There's a short circuit. That is for MPP transistor. So let's try the other one round, which is a PNP. So we put the black pros here on the base, then connector is there at the center. You see what you are getting, no reading as well, short circuit. Then to the third one, you see what you are reading, 0, 0, 0. So these two transistors, now we need to remove them and replace them with the new one. So I will do the removing of this transistor off camera. Then when I finish removing it, I will come back, place it, we read it again and see the value that we are going to get. The board. If you can look at this, let's first test the PNP transistors first. Then we can see that after removing it, it's still reading the same thing. The essence. Go on with the step-by-step procedures of how to put this printer back to its original working state. So now we have fixed back the MOSFET transistor that got spoiled. So we want to read it now to see whether the thing is okay. Then we connect it. I connected the power box to it. This is the board. So I want to test it, and I've told you you have to make your probes to be like this for this particular one. So I think you see what you are getting. We are getting 356, 357. Then to pin 3, you're supposed to get like something like 023 or 22. Okay, we are getting, which is correct. When you plug it to you are pointed to the body, is the reading you're supposed to get. Then for the PNP transistors, change your probes. You see, we are getting this, which is accurate because it's already on the board. What you get when it's not fixed to the board is different from what you get when it's on the board. Then this one should give you about 0.3022 or 323 also. So that means correct. So let's test it whether the system will come up. So after they plug this here, this is the display unit. So let's see whether the thing will come up. It's connected to the power source. So you see the power port, the power has come up. So with this MOSFET, that is the problem. These two MOSFETs here that we changed yesterday. I think that we changed That's the one that is the problem. This F6, F5 is good. This F5 is good. This F5 is good. I'll just take it this way. So what we need to do now is to couple it back to our system. See, everything is okay. It has come up because out of the board. That's why this error is displayed. So we connect all of that cables to it, then your system comes online. So this is where we are going to stop for our tutorials today. So this board testings and the changings of the MOSFET is applicable to almost all the printers, Epson printers or 8800 series. They use the same IC. Then the same thing application you did on 2880, you can still repeat them on that other series of 8800 series. So thanks for your patience with us, and we hope this project will help you a lot in your business. Please subscribe, like our videos, comment on our videos for more videos to encourage us to do more on this project. Thanks, God bless you.